In the world of politics, trials are like the Super Bowl, but with less guacamole and more subpoenas. And boy, do we have a zinger for you today? The Trump trial saga continues, folks. Born from a 2016 hush money payment to Stormy Daniels, it's got our former president facing 34 felony counts. That's right, Trump's got more counts against him than a vampire in a math class. With 2 more jurors, the panel now totals 7, making it less like a jury and more like a Brady Bunch reunion. Now, selecting a jury for a case like this is like picking a team for dodgeball. You want the best, the unbiased, and those who can dodge a subpoena. The process of jury selection for the Trump trial is turning into a spectacle. It's not just about finding 12 good men and women, it's about finding 12 good men and women who can withstand the scrutiny of the world's eyes and the weight of a high-profile case. This past week, we saw 2 jurors dismissed from the panel, and not for being the last ones picked in gym class. No, these 2 jurors were voted off the island for credibility and identity concerns. That's right, folks, it's like a reality show over here. But fear not, 2 new jurors have been selected, restoring balance to the force, the jury. So, the game goes on and we get to watch the drama unfold. Stay tuned. Now, let's not forget the man of the hour, or should I say the man of the trial, Donald J. Trump. So, he's stirring the pot as usual, and by stirring I mean he's making this trial as complex as Sudoku, but instead of numbers, we've got legal jargon and court orders. Trump's potential contempt of court is like adding a dash of hot sauce to an already fiery dish. It's becoming a full-course meal of legal drama, with every move he makes under the judicial microscope. And when it comes to the jury, well, they're facing a detailed questionnaire that's longer than the last Harry Potter book. It's like they're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Our dear Trump is shaking things up, making this trial as complicated as a Rubik's Cube. But it's not all mind-boggling puzzles and court orders. There's a sense of anticipation in the air as we wait for the next move in this high-stakes game of chess. But don't worry, we're keeping a close eye on the unfolding chronicles of the Trump trial. From the selection of jurors to the dismissal of others, every twist and turn is more intriguing than the last. So, there you have it, folks, the latest scoop on the Trump trial, fresh out of the oven. Stay tuned for more updates, because this trial is popping like popcorn and, we've got the butter.